Meet the Tops Yukon Hawk. It's not your average tomahawk. This thing is a powerhouse. Created by the same masterminds who brought us the Viking Warrior Axe, you know you're getting top-notch quality here. Made from a solid 3/8-inch piece of 1095 carbon steel, this beast is ready to take on serious chopping tasks. With a massive 4.87-inch cutting edge, it's designed to tackle those tough jobs that smaller hatchets just can't handle. But it's not just about brute force. The Yukon Hawk's handle is where the magic happens. Made from a special mix of G10 and rubber, it gives you maximum grip even in the most challenging of conditions. And that rounded tank? It lets you get up close and personal for those detailed cuts when you need precision. This bad boy comes with a high-quality leather sheath that lets you carry it multiple ways so you can keep it by your side no matter where your adventures take you. Introducing the Nordic Pocket Saw. It's like a Swiss Army knife on steroids. This compact powerhouse is your go-to tool for tackling all sorts of outdoor adventures, from camping and hiking to mountain climbing. Measuring in at just 25 inches, ensuring you're always ready for whatever obstacles come your way. The chain is crafted from heat-treated high-carbon steel, boasting 33 bidirectional teeth that work together for optimal performance. The handle is made of genuine leather, adding a touch of premium quality to this already impressive tool. While it's designed to be used solo, you can team up with a friend to tackle larger logs if needed. And let me tell you, this thing is tough. It underwent rigorous testing in a Swedish laboratory, proving it can handle forces 20 times greater than what a human could dish out during normal operation. So whether you're clearing paths, cutting firewood, or taking on fallen trees, the Nordic Pocket Saw has got your back. LifeStraw has taken water filtration to the next level with their gravity filter system. You already know about their iconic water filtration pen, but now they're bringing you a convenient 8-liter bag equipped with a gravity filter that delivers an impressive flow rate of 30 liters per hour. No need for pumping or external sources, just let gravity do the work for you. With a 2-micron filtration system, it's capable of removing a whopping 99.999% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, ensuring your water is safe to drink no matter where you are. And get this, it can filter up to 500 gallons before the filter needs replacing, giving you years of reliable use for all your camping, hiking, trekking, or kayaking adventures. Plus, it's BPA-free, highly durable, and eco-friendly. Introducing the ultimate all-in-one fire starter tool, patented and compact for outdoor enthusiasts. This sleek device features a ferrocerium rod, a steel striker, wax-infused hemp rope, and an aluminum housing, ensuring you're always ready to ignite a fire even after a night of rain. With a continuous burning time of 3 hours, you can use it about 1,000 times, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Plus, it's available in 2 sizes, 10 and 15 centimeters, priced at $20 and $25 respectively. And don't worry about running out of rope. Replacement rope can be purchased separately for just $10 per 91 centimeters. So whether you're camping, hiking, or surviving in the wild, this compact fire starter tool has you covered. Snake bites are a serious global issue affecting an estimated 5.8 million people each year. In 2019, WHO experts unveiled a new strategy to combat the deaths and disabilities caused by snake bites, and private companies are stepping up to join the effort. Enter these innovative snake gaiters developed in Australia to provide crucial protection. Crafted from highly durable polyurethane material, these gaiters measure 39 centimeters in height, offering ample coverage. Thanks to their 4-point fastening system with wire elements, they're easy to adjust and fit snugly for maximum comfort and safety. Cleaning them is a breeze too. Just wipe with a damp cloth and detergent and they're good as new. These gaiters prove their mettle by withstanding bites from a variety of Australian snakes, including the formidable tiger snake, known as one of the most dangerous land snakes. For just $150, you can get your hands on these life-saving snake gaiters. While sitting around a crackling flame is great, the process of clearing the area, collecting wood, and building the fire can be a hassle. But fear not, because now there's a solution: the portable campfire. Picture a huge aroma candle, but for your outdoor adventures. These nifty gadgets are filled with paper briquettes infused with soy wax, and all it takes is one match to light them up. The manufacturer promises 3 to 5 hours of burning time without any pesky embers or smoke. Plus, it's reusable and has a service life of 30 years. Even better, the smallest version weighs just 13 ounces, making it easy to pack and carry wherever you go, and with prices starting at just $20. Crafted by Forest Tool using nothing but the finest American materials, the Max Tool Kit is the ultimate wilderness companion. This kit packs in 7 essential tools you might need out in the wild, including an axe, shovel, pick, broad pick, mattock rake, and combination McCloud. The best part? The interchangeable heads can be easily locked onto the 34-inch composite polyglass handle using 6 precision steel pins. Switching between tools takes just seconds, but don't let the quick changes fool you. This toolkit is extra sturdy with every swing. And to keep everything organized and ready for action, the Max Toolkit comes with its own ultra-tough Cordura nylon carrying case. So whether you're chopping wood, digging a fire pit, or clearing a trail, this kit has you covered. Introducing the BCA Tracker 4, your ultimate companion for safety in the snow. Whether you're heading out for a hike or a walk, this device is designed to locate people buried under snow in case of an emergency. Simply attach the included beepers, small sensors emitting radio signals, to your clothing before you set out. In the event of an emergency, these beepers will guide search teams directly to you. With the BCA Tracker 4, search teams can easily see the distance and direction to all nearby beepers, making rescue efforts more efficient than ever. Impressive specs include a maximum reception range of 55 meters and a search area width of 50 meters. With the BCA Tracker 4, you can adventure confidently knowing that help is just a beep away. Get yours today for $468 and stay safe on your winter adventures. Specifically, the SB9 sleeping bags. These bags are game changers thanks to their built-in heating, making them suitable for use year-round. Each SB9 bag comes with 2 heaters, and if you need extra warmth, you can purchase an additional 2. Despite being an all-season option, the SB9 is a quarter more compact than similar products, weighing in at just 3.8 kilograms. Featuring a zipper that runs all around, along with magnetic buttons for added security, these sleeping bags are as convenient as they're cozy. Plus, each kit includes a pillow and a carrying bag for easy transport. And the best part? The price won't break the bank. For just $114, you get all of this: comfort, convenience, and warmth, making the SB9 sleeping bag a must-have for your next outdoor adventure.